Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and we are in the middle of a very frigid winter. So I have been very glad to have this GOTOBI heated vest. This feels like a super warm hug all around my upper body. I absolutely love having the heating function on. Wearing it on its own means that I can feel much more comfortable even when I don't have a lot of bulky layers on. For those days though, when it is very, very cold, like extremely cold, this vest works perfectly for me as a layer under my regular winter coat. Lately, I have been absolutely dreading walking down our long driveway to take our garbage out, but this vest has made it much more bearable. Even without the battery connected or it being turned on, it is a very insulating layer all on its own. It has a fleecy, snuggly exterior, and the interior of it is extremely soft and cozy feeling too. Something that always tends to make me feel really cold is when we have high winds. So I really like that this vest has the higher raised collar, so that really helps to protect my neck and to block out the wind. I find it to be the perfect length, and I'm really happy that it's not cropped since I want it to give me more coverage and warming on my body. This GOTOBI vest has made me feel much braver about going outside this winter, but that's just my point of view.